5 a.m. getting ready to do some offshore fishing. Looks like it's going to be, I think it's American red snapper. Not an expert with this, but I think that's what we're going after. Got the gear. And we're getting out of here. It is 5 a.m. and it's 81 degrees out and nice and humid and tropical feeling. So we are heading out, going towards St. Pete, Florida. All right, we are coming up to the Skyway Bridge, which also has a huge fishing pier on it as well. They have it all lighted up. This is the way to St. Pete, Clearwater, and all that stuff. Twin 250s on that guy. I bet that's him. That's going to be our skipper.
That's the fifth one right there. Okay, so you got five. You got five. No, you got four. Because you got four and then a 10. Yeah. You got five.
There we go.
We're pushing easy.
What up, man?
How are you boys? Surprised to see you on here.
It's a rough job.
It's a little windy.
A little?
Does it really?
That's funnier than shit. I'm gonna have to do
I wrote my sick card for the morning.
What? Oh, you called in sick? You want to be on my channel?
Stomach bug.
I'm gonna call you out. No.
They ain't gonna miss you. Nah, I'll be alright.
Where do you get those up here?
I got a bunch of junk.
Everything will work out.
You're gonna laugh your ass off at this. It's like, listen, man, we never have to make eye contact, and I have no gag reflex.
What side are you going on?
So, Will, what are we catching today?
And I just started to leash.
Do you know?
Red grouper, red snapper, probably some mangrove snapper, maybe some.
That's what he said. Look at me,
tuna.
so you don't have to look at my
Yep.
eye, and I have no gag.
Yeah, Will's fresh from Alaska. You see the legs?
Yeah.
Somebody already fucked with these trout. We didn't leave.
So what are these?
Don't get two at a time.
Yeah. There's probably
You need a beer or anything? I got some beers. Oh, oh, there you go. Smell those suckers a mile away.
They don't work. Guys, just remember there is a catfish in here, so be careful.
Okay.
And there's something else in there.
It'll sting you, huh?
Yeah. It's not pleasant.
Is that a crab?
Yeah, it's a spider crab. Nasty crab.
So you guys don't even need to put bait in there. They'll just go in there because of the smell.
Oh, there we go.
We're done. Pinfish, grunts, there's all kinds of different, but the majority of them are pinners.
Nice.
White bait, but the white bait is gone. What I just saw right there.
Wow, we're running probably like 25 miles an hour. It's amazing how quiet these motors are. So hot, but it never does.
Yeah, that's where that quartering sea is coming right at you. That quarter.
Yeah. Right now, just got the boat situated. Everybody got rain gear on. Most people are on the starboard side of the boat. Keep the spray from blasting you. wet.
Sitting in a puddle of water.
Yeah.
I'll get that up there. Oh, don't worry about the anchor. I'll get that.
I'm not getting the anchor. I'm trying to get the deck back together.
Gotcha. Thank you.
The nerve shark?
No, it's a reef, I think. Or a sharp nose. Give me a little bit more line. Open that down for me.
All right, we're gonna do it.
Here in the back, wherever you want to sit, stand, get you a pole, and you know what you're doing. I know it's a little different, but
Yeah. It's fish with a hook and a lead.
that's it. We're fishing on the bottom.
Second one.
We got you. Bill's probably got you. No, go ahead. Reel up. He'll have you. Big trigger. That'll surprise me, I'm sure of it. Yeah. Red line like 3 times. This guy.
Farm over there, huh?
Yeah. Look at bottom.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that would have been a good one, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a shame. Was that on shrimp too?
Yeah. Shrimp are good.
No.
Pretty fish, huh?
Easy, pull up, reel down.
Hell yeah, Rich.
Come on, Rick.
All right, finally got something on here. Oh,
You all went fuck around and
Come on, buddy. Keep on. You got him off the bottom now. Come on, keep on cranking. Keep on cranking. Don't stop. Come on. Looks like a real big snapper.
That's what we're here for.
Come on. We don't want a shark to get me. There you go. There you go. Crank, crank, crank. There you go, man. Dig deep, son. Dig deep.
I think you took mine off when I was headed to the bottom.
Don't stop now. Don't get sloppy on me.
all right.
Perfect form, buddy.
Want to
Perfect
spin my
form.
camera a little bit that way? Just grab it and turn it. Yeah, twist it. There you go.
Good much. There he is. All right, slow down and lift your tip to me.
Did you need a net?
Down. Ooh, that's a real grouper.
That's a fine.
Woo! That's a beauty right there. Yes. Can we keep that?
Yes, sir.
Oh man,
Yes,
nice.
sir. Yes, sir.
Woo-wee.
Out of shrimp, kids. Out of shrimp.
No, that was a pinfish.
Oh, that was a pinner?
Small one.
Yeah.
Woo-wee. I'm keeping this pole.
There you go. That's what I'm talking about.
Nice. Okay. That looks like a big old snapper this time.
Let's go with a big old snapper.
Well, it should be a big
Good job, Rich. Told you they're over here, bud.
8 miles. That looks closer than 8 miles.
It's definitely probably not as big as the other one.
Holy shit, dude. Go ahead.
Hey! Nice grouper.
Very nice. Not as big, like you said, as the last one, but he's real nice.
Yeah. Let's get a picture of him.
There we go, right there.
Let's see him. Yes, nice nice grouper. Right on. Thank you.
Okay, good. You can't get it. Go ahead, kick.
we picked up the pace, trying to outrun the lightning storm. Quite a bit of lightning happening. The skies are getting pretty dark. Unfortunately, the fishing just got hot, and then all of a sudden the storm just rolled in. Look at that. Oh, a crazy rainstorm coming, huh? That was my first trip in the Gulf on a deep sea, I guess you'd call it. We went out 70 miles, about 140 feet of water. 4-hour trip out because it was kind of messy, kind of rough. Basically, I'm wet. Been wet since this morning, non-stop, soaked. But still a great trip. Caught a couple nice grouper. Some other people caught some nice snappers. So definitely a fun trip. Plan on doing it again, probably around August 1st. But that's gonna do it. We're leaving.